फिलहाल तो लोकसभा लेके चलते हैं जिथे केंद्रीय मंत्री सिमरत कौर बादल इस वेले बोल रहे हैं।
Sacrifices of the martyrs belong to the nation. It's as much as Mehtabji's as it is Mr. Tharoor's as it is of each one of us. I totally agree to that. But when the massacre involves large number of people from my community, sir, then definitely the sensitivities of this community must be taken in. I agree that while 100 years, I do not call it a celebration, sir. First of all, I will object that this word celebrating 100 years of Jallianwala Bagh, this is a massacre, a bloodshed. It is a day to remember those sacrifices of those people, not to celebrate them. Sir, yes, commemorate it, but definitely don't call it a celebration. Sir, while I appreciate the government in 1919 and whoever came in after that decided in 1951, as I'm told, that there was only, at that time there was one major party in the country. So they decided to take over and to create this into a memorial. Very appreciative. Lekin sir, you cannot forget what all has happened after that. What has that party done and that president of the Congress party done to my community? Who is going to forget that that same Congress party went to the Golden Temple, attacked innocents who were there again praying on a Gurpurab day, on the day of the birthday of their Guru, attacked those and killed and massacred thousands of innocents just like General Dyer did? Who is going to forget that this same Congress party, headed by the same family, again with tanks and put into the Golden Temple and attacked Akal Takht Sahib, sir. In 1984, if the Congress party did all this, I think it overrules what they did in 1919. Sir, हमसे पूछिए, ये इनको चेयरमैन बनाना है तो 1984 मैसेकर का चेयरमैन क्यों नहीं बनाते? शर्म आनी चाहिए। कोई भी सिख आप खड़े होके बोलिए मुझे 84 के कत्लेआम में कांग्रेस का हाथ नहीं था? क्या 84 में अकाल तख्त साहब के ऊपर अटैक नहीं हुआ? क्या 84 में इनोसेंट्स को उधर मार के बंद नहीं किया गया? क्या हमारा सरोवर इनोसेंट्स के खून से लाल नहीं हो गया था दरबार साहब में? और आप कहते हैं इन लोगों को आप अध्यक्ष बनाएंगे जलियांवाला बाग का? शर्म करिए। क्या जवाब देंगे आप वापस जाके? क्या जवाब देंगे? अध्यक्ष बनाना है 84 के कत्लेआम का अध्यक्ष बनाइए। So it is shameful today. I'm surprised how anyone can even oppose this. How can anyone oppose this? Who is Congress party?
What is the point of order?
Yes, please get the point of order.
Which you should hear. I want you to hear this.
Please
hear me.
Why should I hear you?
Please, I don't object to your speech, but please hear me. Hear me.
Please hear me.
1 minute. 1 minute. Hear me.
You can hear me.
Who was Bindranwala?
I'm not interested in hearing you. You can speak after me. I will not hear. You are not a Sikh. I'm talking about the sentiments of my community. So, he is welcome to speak after me. I am not yielding. I am talking about Jallianwala Bagh, 13th of April, on the day of Vaisakhi, wherein General Dyer, if we can condemn him, we must condemn the Congress party who behaved no less than General Dyer in 1984 on the 1st, 2nd and 3rd of November in Delhi and in June 1984 in Amritsar.
All right.
So I totally congratulate this government. I welcome this government for eventually removing the name of Congress from anything to do with the state. So the Jallianwala Bagh belongs to the nation. It does not belong to the Congress party. It does not belong to the Gandhi family. If anything belongs to the Gandhi family and the Congress party, it is a massacre of thousands of innocents. If anything belongs, make them the chairman of that committee, which is going to look into what all the congressmen had to do for 1984, for which today people are in. Who is Sajjan Kumar? आज सज्जन कुमार जेल में क्यों है बताइए? सज्जन कुमार जेल में क्यों है बताइए? सज्जन कुमार जेल में क्यों है? जवाब दीजिए। कांग्रेस के मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ सज्जन कुमार कांग्रेसी है कि नहीं? सज्जन कुमार कांग्रेसी है कि नहीं? सज्जन कुमार जेल में क्यों है? बोलिए, शर्म करिए। So today the court has said congressmen are in jail for the massacre of Sikhs. congratulate the Honorable Minister for having brought this amendment in. And I request the whole House that, sir, बैसाखी के दिन वहाँ पे सिख मरे हैं, मारने वालों को तो कंडेम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उसके बाद a lot of water has flown since 1919 and Congress has done a lot more than what they did in 1919. So while they are paying for their sins, today they are in jail. I hope the others also go to jail. And definitely this Congress party should not be a committee of something where the Sikh sacrifices are concerned, because they went to all extent to ensure Sikhs were wiped out. First they attacked the Golden Temple, then they killed thousands of innocents inside Golden Temple, and then they have massacred them in Delhi as well. And the Prime Minister said, when a big tree falls, the earth shakes, so kill the Sikhs. Today they are in jail for that. Sir, they are rewarding them even today. Today one of the people accused of the Sikh massacre has been made into a chief minister by them. What can be more shameful? There are eyewitnesses where he is encouraging them to go and massacre Sikhs. They are rewarding him. You want people who reward the murders of Sikhs should be made into chairmen of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Shaheed Bhagat Singh, Shaheed Udham Singh, Shaheed Sukhdev, these are the people who the sacrifice, the fire of revenge was in their heart, and those sacrifices of theirs belongs to each and every one of us. It does not belong to the Congress party. I thoroughly welcome this amendment and hope the House passes it unanimously.